One of the easiest ways to brighten up your space is by adding in a few vibrant houseplants. But if you don't want to dedicate time to watering and caring for your greenery, then you should decorate your home with fake plants. Instead, there are many products available to choose artificial plants, each product with different benefits, features and prices. To help you make an accurate decision, I've done much research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best artificial plants from reputable brands. After a lot of research, I found these products for people like you. If you need to know about the price and other information, don't forget to check my descriptions. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. The Palm Tree Artificial Monstera Deliciosa Plant 43 Fake Tropical Palm Tree. Perfect to display in your home, office or store and any other place to bring more lifelike colors and organic style. Amazing, realistic. It looks lifelike and adds a touch of nature to your space. No need to maintain or care for them, neither will die nor fades, match everywhere of your home. 43 tall, from bottom to top, with black pot, 7 diameter 6 height, 11 PCS leaves. Item may need to be reshaped when removed from box to achieve its intended appearance. Perfect for any room or office decor feeling a little landlocked. Bring a taste of the tropics into your abode with this potted monstera tree. This botanical offers organic allure without ever having you worrying about watering or finding the perfect slice of sunlight. It is nestled inside an understated round black pot for versatile appeal, but you can always tuck it into another pot of your choice, so it fits right into your ensemble. This monstera tree will create a sunny atmosphere wherever you place it. Number 2. The Palm Tree Artificial Erica Palm Plant 3.6 feet Fake Palm Tree. Carefully crafted to mimic the appearance of a real-life Erica palm looking as close to reality as possible. Perfect for any room or office decor, this palm tree will let you feel the presence of nature. All seasons are green. Always forget watering your lovely plant. Tired of dead plants? Try this. Impossible to kill artificial yellow palm. No need to water it daily or to offer special attention. Ardipsis luticens outfitted with sturdy inner metal wires. You can adjust the trunk to the shape you like, without worrying that the trunk will break. This artificial tree is made of durable and premium polyester material. The base is made of solid cement, which to prevent children, pets knock it down. 3.6 feet tall with black pot, 6 diameter 5 height, 10 lifelike trunks, free detachable, easy to assembly and lightweight. It can be placed and carried easily everywhere you desire. Number 3. Gobless 4 Ford Artificial Boxwood Spiral Topiary Tree. This artificial boxwood spiral tree is very beautiful, with moss on the basin, which can be placed indoors and outdoors. Bring a touch of greenery to desks, coffee tables, patios, and more. This high-quality artificial tree is 4 high. Natural trunks make it highly realistic. And the leaves with clear texture and even color are vivid, truly replicating real plants. The spiral shape and the proper curvature make it look like a real tree. The tripod is made of soft PP material, and the cement is poured inside. The leaves are made of PVC, and the trunks are made of solid wood, which is durable. With this artificial boxwood spiral tree, you can enjoy life easily. Because it has no requirements for water, fertilizer and sunlight. And you don't have to clean or care for it regularly, just occasionally wipe it with a damp cloth when you are free. Number 4. Sealand's Artificial Trees Artificial Palm Tree. This is a good indoor and outdoor artificial Erica palm sill tree decoration, suitable for apartments, gardens, kitchens, yards, terraces, balconies, entrances, offices, family living rooms, etc. This artificial tree is made of durable high-quality PC material, and the pot body is made of strong cement. The cement ensures the overall stability of the standing tree, so the trunk and the pot cannot be separated. It is recommended to place it in a larger decorative flower pot and make the fake tree more perfect. All materials are flame retardant treated, rose certified, without any odor, so it is no problem even if placed in a sealed environment. Our artificial betel nut palm sill tree is equipped with internal wire. You can adjust the leaves to your favorite shape. It is recommended to place it in a larger decorative flower pot to make the fake tree more perfect. Number 5. Full-Wilt Bird of Paradise Artificial Plant. People might hesitate to opt for artificial fake plants, because, as the name suggests, they look fake and unreal. However, our artificial banana tree plant looks natural and realistic that it is hard to distinguish them from real plants. Our large artificial faux plants are evergreen and do not change their appearance, color, or shed leaves due to weather fluctuations, not affected by seasonal changes. This indoor home decor fake palm tree will give you the same perky and lively feel to your living room, kitchen, or dining room all year round. The material used in making this sill plant is long-lasting, safe and of advanced quality. They are water-resistant due to the resilient coating applied to the leaves. And its base is made of solid cement, which it's not easy to be knocked down by children or pets. When the artificial tree is taken out of the box, simply bend, separate, and fluff the branches and leaves to achieve desired height and fullness. The tree in the pot can be placed into a larger planter. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos regularly, so do subscribe my channel. You can check the description for more details or price about these products. For any kind of problem or complaint, you can comment us. Please, stay updated with our channel, as it will make your life much more easier and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.